A question yesterday from Karuna that how do we blend color pencil and we don't get lines. So generally what happens in color pencil is when we are trying to shade or when we are trying to color, we get lines. Even the blending becomes like line effect. So how to get rid of that and how not to get lines. Okay, so I will just show that to you all that how we have to do that, so that we don't get lines. Yet we can see different colors and we can see different shades. So I'm just taking three colors. Okay, I've taken dark green, I've taken dark brown, and I've taken dark red. Okay, so can you see a small drawing over here, like a leaf, petal, something kind? Yeah. So let me start with red, and I will show you how it becomes line and how it can not be lines. Okay, sometimes lines are present and we can still get away with it. Okay, so if you're holding like this, like a normal pencil hold, okay, then it is full of lines, and when you go like this, it becomes lines, right? Okay, wait, let me bring my laptop a little closer. Okay, right, so can you all see the lines? But even in this kind of hold, I can get a shading line and not a line. So I can still go, see, if I have the tip not pointed, if I have it blunt, then I can make use of this blunt tip. Okay, and I can just go in curved direction. Even if I have to color straight, I can still go in curved direction and not get lines. Karuna, are you following? Right. Okay. Now let's say I want to add another color, so I'll take brown. Now there are two ways you can add, in which one problem that we all face, it becomes full lines, right? So if we go like this, we get lines. And also if I'm holding very tight and if I'm holding very if I'm pressing very dark, so it becomes lines like this. And I don't want these lines, so I'll color it in the other petal, and I'm going to hold it little behind. I'm not going to hold here, I'm going to hold here.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'll keep my hand slanting, not like this. Okay, so I'll keep my pencil slanting, sorry, not hand slanting, my pencil slanting.
Yes, ma'am.
And the pressure with which I'm holding my pencil is also going to be light. It's not going to be very tightly held pencil. Because when I hold it lightly, I can also get the color in light direction, like little light. And it's very easy for me to move in the direction I want it to move.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I can make this dark in the same hold just by increasing my tightness on the pencil. Okay, now Karuna, here is what I would want you to pay attention. If you go like this, you will get lines. But if you color between the lines continuously with the blunt tip of your pencil, okay, and not holding your pencil in this way and coloring, you can avoid the line kind of an appearance. Okay, see, with the use of blunt tip. Okay, so we'll continue from here. Now you see there is gap between each, wherever the red color was stopped, you can see some gaps here.
Yes, ma'am.
You can see some gaps between the red color where it stopped.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will begin from those gaps. I will not begin where red finished. I will begin from the gaps between each red line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and I'll go like this. I'll just do this one petal so it will give you an idea.
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, towards the end of petal, depending on the shape and the form of the petal, our curved lines go. So I'm going to just turn this petal this side, assuming that this petal is curving this way. So this curve totally depends on what kind of petal we are coloring and what kind of leaf we are coloring and which side it is folded. Okay, it totally depends on that. Okay, now if I keep on coloring again and again in the same place, it becomes darker. Correct?
Yes, yes.
Now if I want to add some lines, because generally in petals we see some lines also, this is when you hold your pencil like this, like a normal pencil hold, and just now make use of the pointed tip of your pencil and just go lines. But don't make it totally line because you just need lines in some places. Okay?
Ma'am, are we gonna do this today?
Yes, and we are going to do one more interesting thing today.